What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. Can you believe that tomorrow is the last day of the year? I can't. This year's been nuts. Anyways, let's look at the oh shit. Let's look at the repo today. We're at 1.696 trillion. Near all-time high again. Participating counterparties 90. That is up from 84 from yesterday. So we went from 1642 to 1696. We've been uptrending basically since last Thursday. So about a week. We've been trending up for a week. I imagine that we'll finish at the all-time high tomorrow for the end of the year. Again, it's coming up to January. It's pretty crazy stuff, especially if you've been here all year. So hang in there, everyone. Got a few more things coming today. Other than that, just been killing it in the trading group. If you really would like to learn, next year I expect to be a very boring year for AMC and GME, but not so boring for other areas of the market. If you're interested, link in the description. Take it easy, everybody.